Welcome to this sacred space of light, harmony, and wholeness. Today, we gather with open hearts to begin our day with uplifting affirmations and a gentle, guided reflection that will lead us to the manifestation of blessings, wonders, and deep transformation. Remember this truth: your inner energy is a powerful and limitless force. When you direct your thoughts, feelings, and intentions toward positivity and higher vibrations, the universe responds with unconditional love, generosity, and unexpected opportunities. Take a deep breath now. Let go of any heaviness or worry you're carrying. Allow the subtle magic of manifestation to move freely through every part of your being. Clearly visualize a bright future filled with peace, love, success, and personal fulfillment. Dream of the miracles you wish to bring into your life, whether in your personal journey, career path, or spiritual growth. Whether it's emotional balance, true love, lasting success, or any other blessing that resonates deeply with your soul. Feel now that these desires are already taking shape in your reality. Everything you're wishing for is already aligned with the divine flow and is on its way to you. Repeat the following affirmations with unshakable faith. Let each word sink deep into your heart and mind, empowering you from within and shaping the energy that surrounds your life. I am open and ready to receive all the blessings and opportunities the universe brings me in abundance. Prosperity flows to me with ease, grace, and harmony, like a river of endless gifts. Today, I choose to align with gratitude, attracting extraordinary miracles into my life. I fully trust that everything I need arrives at the perfect moment. Guided by universal wisdom, I am in complete harmony with the frequency of love, abundance, and fulfillment. My heart overflows with gratitude for the countless blessings that are already a part of my journey. The universe works in my favor, aligning every detail of my life for my highest good. I am fully immersed in the sacred flow of abundance, where my dreams take form effortlessly. I attract unique opportunities that guide me clearly toward my deepest goals and highest aspirations. Life surprises me with daily miracles, and I am fully ready to receive them with humility and joy. My optimistic and uplifting thoughts shape a reality filled with blessings and endless possibilities. I am a powerful magnet for success, pure joy, and prosperity in all its forms. I thank life sincerely for every gift, from the smallest gestures to the greatest achievements. Everything I desire is already moving toward me with divine precision. Positive energy surrounds me like a protective shield, guiding me with confidence toward my greatest purpose. I am fully aligned with the universe's unlimited abundance, and I am filled with peace, light, and divine love. everything I touch grows, multiplies, and turns into abundant blessings. I fully trust the sacred process of my life, knowing that even the smallest events serve my growth and benefit. Today, I choose to be a radiant channel of love, generosity, sharing this energy with the world around me. I am full of vibrant, positive energy that draws miracles to my life consistently. I am worthy of every grace I receive, and my deep belief in the universe produces extraordinary results that transform my reality. Gratitude is the key that opens new paths of wonder in my life. With each new day, I move confidently toward my deepest dreams, and miracles bloom around me like flowers in a garden of possibilities. My life is a vibrant reflection of love, joy, and abundant prosperity. Today, I find myself in perfect balance with the harmonious rhythm of the universe. The inner peace I cultivate connects me to unexpected gifts, bringing light even to life's simplest moments. I attract inspiring people, powerful situations, and high energies that enrich my journey and elevate my purpose. I am surrounded by infinite abundance, which I receive with an open heart and a thankful soul. I am destined to live a life full of miracles, blessings, and moments of pure magic. My thoughts are in harmony with the vibrant energy of prosperity, guiding me toward a future of victories. Like a well of endless strength and creativity, the universe provides exactly what I need at exactly the right time, aligning me with the perfect flow of life. I am connected to the high frequency of love, wealth, and complete fulfillment. My life reflects the blessings I send out into the world, creating a positive cycle of energy and transformation. I easily attract vibrant health, abundant riches, and spontaneous happiness. I am in tune with the power of manifestation, shaping my reality with intention and grace. Miracles are my natural state, and I welcome them with deep gratitude and reverence. Today, I choose to live in the vibration of love and appreciation, and the universe responds with unlimited blessings. Each step I take is guided by divine wisdom, lighting my path with clarity and purpose. My heart stays open to the blessings the universe generously offers. I am aligned with the energy of success, abundance, and true happiness. I am a magnet for all the good the cosmos has for me, attracting opportunities that transform my life. My life is filled with unlimited prosperity in every form: material, emotional, and spiritual. Joy and inner peace flow through me, touching everything around me and inspiring those I meet each day. I move confidently toward my deepest dreams and desires, powered by unwavering determination. I am full of gratitude for the blessings constantly flowing into my life like a river of light that never ends. Love, prosperity, and harmony enter my life effortlessly, like a cosmic dance perfectly choreographed. I accept with humility that I am worthy of every grace that comes my way. I fully trust that the universe is guiding me to my greatest blessings, aligning every step of my journey. My life is a mosaic of infinite possibilities, filled with extraordinary gifts that unfold with every new day. I attract everything I need to grow, thrive, and live fully, receiving each gift with gratitude and awe. I am surrounded by vibrant, positive energy and surprising opportunities that expand my path. I am deeply grateful for the big and small miracles that light up my life, from quiet moments to great achievements. Today, I choose to see the beauty, abundance, and magic in all things around me, celebrating life in its fullness. I am in perfect harmony with the universe's pulse, and my life is a shining reflection of love, prosperity, happiness, and wholeness. If this message inspired you today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. And your journey is just beginning.